One of the things I find rewarding about woodworking is making things that I can use in my own home. So today I will share with you how you can make this simple entryway console table with just 2x4 material. And one of the primary objectives of this build is to make sure that there are no visible hardware like screws or nails. It is pretty easy to make with just 3 cut lengths: 19 inches, 23 inches, and 26 inches. I'll share the cut list on the community tab, and then in the next few days I'll upload a free plan if you're someone who likes to work from a plan that you can download and use at your convenience. The table will be sitting right above an air vent, and so I'm making allowance for the back leg so it fits right behind the air vent. That's why I'm going with 1 1/8 inch as the thickness of the back, because I only have 1 1/4 inch allowance at the back of the air vent. With all the necessary cuts made, it is now time to put it together. This process is also easy and you can just follow through. If you like the content you see on this channel, please click on the subscribe button. You don't have to click on the notification bell. You can check the channel out whenever you like to see new videos that I upload, as I upload a new video every week. Thank you for helping me grow this channel. I find it very fascinating that after over 3+ decades of doing woodworking or DIY in general, I finally get to the point where I can say that sanding is my least favorite activity. How about you? What's your favorite activity or least favorite activity? Share it in the comments below. Since the build involves some butt edges, I'm doing pre-staining so that the staining will be consistent all throughout the table. Otherwise, some of the ends will be darker than the rest of the sides of the table. For the stain finish, I went with dark walnut for the sides, and then I left the top natural. So at this point in the video, I just want to remind you that all you need is just a little faith and some DIY action. One of my primary objectives with this build was to make sure that there were no hardware or screws showing up on either the top, the sides, or the front of the build. And that's the end of the project. Now time to replace the old with the new. But first I have to do a quick paint job to take care of some of the scuffs and scratches on the wall there. So at this point in the video, I just want to remind you that all you need is just a little faith and some DIY action. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, the table should sit over an air vent. So I'm adding these 2 extra feet at the bottom there to raise it up away from the air vent, and then I'll use an air vent diverter, which is magnetic, to prevent the air from blowing up against the bottom of the table, but instead blow out in front. And that's it. I hope this inspires you to build something like this or something even better than this. Share in the comments and let us know what you think. And if there's a family member or friend you think might like this, please share this video with them. Thank you. I appreciate that. Until next time, take care and God bless. And I hope you will have a tangible experience of God's love today.